Hey guys, welcome back to RoyalBluFX. Today we're going to talk about what ranges are and how to trade ranges and why ranges are so important. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. All right guys, so what are ranges? Ranges are essentially your current low to your current high or your current high to your current low. Now I'm going to break it down for you guys just so you understand what I'm talking about. So when the markets are going up like this, okay, your range is your current low to your current low to your current high. Same thing happens when you're on a downtrend like this. Okay, very easy to spot. Your current high to your current low, your current high to your current low. So that's what ranges are. Now, the reason why ranges are so important is because when you use a range, they help you identify the direction of the market. Okay. So, say when you're going on an uptrend and you're looking to buy in this case, right? You know that your range starts from this low to this high, and you know this is your trading range where you're looking to look for buys. Okay. If the market should ever go against the range like this, then we know our range has been broken, and we know this, in this case, that our range, or sorry, our direction is not a buy anymore. This could potentially be a sell now. So that's why these ranges are so important, is to show us where the markets are going, what direction they're going. We use ranges as a sense or meaning of direction. That's it. Now you might be thinking, like, how can we trade ranges? All right. So I'm going to go to this diagram over here to the left, and I'm going to show you how to trade ranges. So let's delete this information. Okay, let's go here and let's start identifying our ranges. So we have our current our current high here. We're going to name this as, let's say we're in the 1 hour, so we're going to name this the 1 hour 1 hour range high. I'm going to put that hot top here, and then we're going to take this down here. I'm going to name this as our range low now, 1 hour range low. Okay, and like I said, using ranges is really just a means of direction. It shows us where to be trading. And as anybody in the market, everybody wants to trade with the direction, because the direction is your best friend, right? So here we go. So now we use our 1 hour as a high time frame, and we're going to be entering in the 1 minute. So we always mark our range high and our range low. And what we're doing is we want to anticipate and wait for the market to get back to an order block here, to take a look for a sell, and then take it down to this current low here. So let's see what happens. All right, so anytime when the market breaks a range like this, what you want to do is adjust your range. So right now, our current low is this, our current high is this, and our current low is this. Anytime a range is broken, you always want to readjust your range. So now this is our new range right here, okay? And now what we're looking for is for a potential sell from this range right here. So let's see what happens. There we go, you see? So on the, let's say if we were on the 5 minute or 1 minute, we would look for entries down here, and we would look for sells, and our targets would be this low here, right? So there you go. That would be our range. So now that the range has been broken again, let me delete this. Let's readjust everything here. Now that the range has been broken, we're going to mark this as our current high, and this is our current low. Okay, now we know the market should be coming somewhere up here in this order block, and then we're going to look for potential sells. Okay, now that the range has been broken, this order block is invalid, and this range is invalid now. Now we can readjust our new range. Here's our current low, our current high and our current low. Let's identify our order block, which is right here. And now we're waiting for the market to come up there. There we go. All right, so once the market has come up there, as you see, there's no trading, selling opportunities. Market blasted through this range, and therefore now this is our new range. We're going to change this to our new high here, and this is our current low, and our current low stays the same. It hasn't changed because the markets haven't come to break out a new low, right? So let's keep going, and we'll show you what's happening here. All right, so there's a new break to the upside. Now our new high is here, and our new low is right here. Okay, and maybe an order block. So the block will be right here. So what we're looking is for the market to come back here for the buy. All right, so anytime the market breaks like this doesn't signify a market breaks a market structure break. It's just a wick. All right, we're looking for solid breaks. Not yet. There we go. So market is broken yet again. Our new high is here. Our new low is here. Sorry, not right there, right here. Okay, looking for selling opportunity, buying opportunities. There we go. So market is touching this area. It looks like it broke our range, obviously. So now we're going to have this as our new low, and this is our current high here. Okay, now we're looking for selling opportunities in here. There we go. We will be able to sell just fine. If we were on a lower time frame, this would have been our order block here, and we would be looking for selling opportunities up here to sell. Look at that, right? Let's see what happens here. Okay, we have a new break. Now what we're going to do is adjust our range up here, our new high and our new low. Our order block will be right over here, from here to here. All right, we're looking for for buys. Okay, market broke structure. We're going to adjust it from this high, and we don't need to change this low because it hasn't broken anything. Okay, there's wicks. Okay, there's another break of structure right here, although it didn't break above this last previous wick here, right here. So this is still a sell. I'm still a sell bias on this until it breaks, until a nice strong body breaks through the range. Okay, like this. Okay, so here's our new high, and this is our new low right here. And now we're going to take our order block, look for our order block, which is the last sell candle right here. Now we're going to look for buying opportunities. Okay, price broke again. Our range is here now, from here to here now. New range. Now we're looking for buys. Okay, it finally broke our range here. Now our new high will be right here, and our new low would be here. We're looking for the order block, which could be this area potentially. Okay, and you see how easy this is just to understand your range area, so you don't get out of hand whenever you're trading. All right, there we go. You see, so we had multiple sells. You could have sold here. You could have sold here from this order block to sell, from this order block to sell here as well. Now that we're here in this range here, you know, whenever the market is ranging inside of your range, you know, there's no true direction yet. This means consolidating. You don't need to be doing anything until the market breaks back out. Okay, now that the market broke out, our new low is here and our new high is here. We're looking for sells. Okay, price broke this range, so our new low is here. We're still looking for a sell. This is our potential order block here for the sell. There we go. Let's see. No, it wouldn't have hit, but it's fine. We were still in the correct range. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand how to use ranges. They're very simple, very effective. You know, it simply just shows you where the direction of the market is, so you're not trading against the market. All right, it's just market structure. That's all ranges are. Okay, so if you're the type of person who just gets out of hand and doesn't understand how ranges work or how structure works, you know, if there's a break and you know the market's here and you're starting to chase the market or whatever, you know, if you're one of those type of people, then you know you're not going to understand. Then you're not going to be able to control yourself and understand where your last high and your last low was. You know, but this is how it helps us to understand what ranges are and how to essentially be trading in the correct direction. Okay, you might be stuck here one time and you might be like, okay, well, you know, this is my range from low to high. I'm looking for buys here, you know, which is easy, right? But when you take a buy and the market's starting to really range like this, now you don't know where your next sell is bound, you know, or where your next trade is bound in this case. So yeah, always make sure to identify where your ranges are. It's very easy to get lost in the markets if you don't know what you're doing. So I guess one more before we go here. Here's our range from high, range low here, order block here. Let's see what happens. Okay, we broke again. One more. Let's go see here. One more here. Right there. Okay, we're looking for sells, and there you go. See, right? Tap your order block right there. Right there, and you would have been Gucci. There you go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and I hope you please like and subscribe to this video. And, it really supports the channel very much. So thank you very much and take care.